Module 1. Lecture A. Introduction to the course. If you work with data in Python, you already know that messy, inconsistent tables can slow everything down. This course, Pandas 2.3.1 A to Z, is designed to take you from I can load a file to I can reliably shape and clean real-world datasets. Whether you're coming from spreadsheets, SQL, or basic Python, you'll get a structured path to mastering modern pandas so you can spend less time wrestling with data structures and more time answering real questions. You'll start by building a solid foundation with series and data frames, creating them from lists, dictionaries, and multiple input formats, designing clear indexes and column labels, fixing misinferred dtypes, and cleaning missing values so your objects are truly analysis ready. From there, you'll bring in external data using Pandas read underscore functions for CSV, Excel, and Parquet, tuning options like delimiters, headers, dtypes, and date parsing, and learning practical tactics for large or messy files, sampling, chunked reading, selective column loading, and resolving encoding and type issues. Finally, you'll move into powerful transformation, filtering with boolean masks and query, sorting with precise control over multiple columns and missing values, grouping with groupby to compute meaningful metrics, and reshaping between wide and long formats using melt, pivot, pivot table, and MultiIndex to support downstream visualization and modeling. By the end, you'll be able to take raw tabular data, load it confidently into Pandas 2.3.1, clean and standardize its structure and types, and reshape it into exactly the form your analysis or models require. You'll know how to diagnose problems instead of guessing, choose the right tools for grouping and summarizing, and move between different layouts without losing information. Most importantly, you'll feel in control of your data workflow, able to open a new data set and think, I know how to get this into shape, from first import to final analysis-ready data frame. Thank you for your attention. See you all in the next lecture.